Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO Ideapad C340, and today I'll show you how to put your laptop on a lock screen. So to lock the screen of your laptop, you can either press the start button, then press the power button and select lock, and this will lock the screen of your PC. But if you prefer comfort or just shortcuts, then you can use a shortcut of Windows plus L buttons, so just press them both simultaneously, and this will put your laptop on a lock screen. And to exit it, just drag the screen to the top and enter your password. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.